Hi, I'm Tony Cooks, and today I welcome you at my place. Delonghi was kind enough to send me this beautiful machine to try out some recipes. I'm going to be starting with the chicken fajita, and I'm going to be showing you what we got here. Very simple, very basic. We've got mushrooms, mixed colored bell peppers, chicken, cheddar cheese, the mise en place for the fajita is ready. Mixed bell peppers, mushrooms, onions, and chicken. I'm not adding any oil. All I'm going to be doing is just putting in a little magic powder, and that's called white pepper and salt.
Action.
Oh. So, chicken in. We're going to go put the chicken in. A little bit of oil. Again, not exceeding 1. Let me show it to you clearly. That's just 1. That's gonna go in. 10 minutes. And chicken is cooked perfectly. The bell peppers, the onions, and the mushroom. The mushroom is gonna take the least time to cook, and these approximately will go in together at the same time. However, I'll start with the onions. And so that's 3 minutes. Now it's time to put in the bell peppers. So after 10 minutes, we first added the onions for 3 minutes, and now after 10 minutes, this is the result. Now mushroom go in. We'll cook this for another 5 minutes, and then we'll add again the chicken. Maybe we'll cook it for another 3 minutes. That's when your fajita is ready. Now we're gonna drop in again the chicken for the last 5 minutes. Cajun spice. You could just find it up in the supermarket, and I'm gonna be adding a little. Our fajita is ready.